Hey loves, this is Heartbreak to Elevate, video 5. Single is where you get dangerous, in the best way. This is your glow up season. Single time is for rebuilding identity. This is your time to rebuild who you are. Now that you either freshly just got out of a relationship or you've been single, either way, you need to start focusing in, forgetting about the past, only living in the present and moving towards your future. Focus, 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 lock in and level up. Confidence grows in solitude. Get hot in every way. This is your time to literally just look at yourself in the mirror and figure out who you want to become. You just went through something that hurt. I've been there and it sucks, especially fresh out of a relationship. But at the same time, there's a fire inside you that no other person in your shoes has. So use that fire to your advantage. You have this anger, this sadness, this passion. The world is your oyster. Focus on yourself. Level the up. You got this. Discipline creates self-respect. The better discipline that you build, the more self-respect you have. And the way you speak and move and how your life transforms, it will show. Through discipline, you will see a change in everything of who you are right now just by showing up for yourself day in and day out. And it's magical. You will never regret it. And you'll be so proud that you focused on yourself and you stay disciplined after this hard time, this hard heartbreak, this pain. And you'll never look back, and you'll just continue to flourish and continue to grow. And it's so beautiful, and it's so powerful. I can't wait to see your success and the amount of self-respect you gain for yourself on this journey of leveling up. You become magnetic by focusing inward. You become a light, you become a beam, you become valuable for some reason. But the more you focus on yourself, the stronger you become, and others see that and respect that. So don't be down in the dumps. They hurt you, they left you, you left them, they hurt you. Whatever it was, you are leveling up and you'll become magnetic. You're focusing inward and you're literally having an advantage over everyone right now. Use this anger, use this pain, use this sadness to grind and grow stronger, more sexier, and more powerful. Invest in yourself. Here are some affirmations for you to use. I build myself. I am becoming magnetic. I am proud of who I'm becoming. This is your era. This is video 5, Heartbreak to Elevate. I got you guys. We are stronger together. I've been heartbroken. Should not be here. That's how much pain I was going through. And I'm telling you, you're going to come back stronger and more better than ever. And your whole life is going to change for the better. This happened for a reason. You did not marry this person for a reason. Trust me, this is going to change your life in the best ways. I can't wait to see your growth, and I'm here for you. This is our series. This is our space here in Growth Group. I got you. I love you. I believe in you. I am proud of you. Forget everything that happened. Forgive yourself. Forgive them. And push forward. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.